Alright, so this will be just a quick video. So on my portrait, I'm doing memo pads right now, and it's really gloomy outside. I have the lights on, but the registration has failed, so I will show you how to make the portrait register your registration marks. So this is what I do. So this is how you want to hold up the mat, just a little bit above, or you can even go higher, but sometimes it will cut wrong, but most of the time it can then read better and register the marks. And then you want to get your phone and turn on the flashlight. Turn on the flashlight, and you want to hold it so your portrait silhouette can read your registration marks. And it's easier if you have someone else to hold your phone. So you want to click register. And now it was able to register, so you just need to find maybe some other position, because I guess the lighting is bad or something. So I moved the portrait a bit more down because it wasn't able to read. I tried a few times, and you just need to find the perfect place where to light on. It will take a couple of tries, but you just need to get the best angle. I think it's somewhere here. I'm not sure. I will see now. When I make more of them, then I really know where I need to put it. So you just click register, and then quickly with your phone, or you can just get a tripod and you can set it so you don't have to move it, but I'm too lazy to do that, and I have to do only one memo pad, so I don't bother with putting tripod with my flashlight. But you can use any other light, of course. You don't need to use your phone, but this is what worked for me. So when it's really gloomy, it's really difficult for the silhouette to read the registration marks. So I hope this helped. So you just push the mat a bit up and just find the best position to hold the light so it can read the registration marks.